gonna need to see your IDs.
Yes, sir. I got it right here. He's getting me.
You know the thing I'm fortunate with? We don't have to land our helicopter on this little pad. I like it. I like it. What are you using to work the race today? This? That looks cheap.
$500,000.
$500,000. Wow. We're gonna need to see y'all's ID. A little comedic action. I'd look good in this. What's that? Now why you wanna be hating on us fat kids? My daughter says I'm big boned. Loves Joe Gibbs racing.
Love my boss.
Loves his boss.
My boss, he's the best. What else you want me to say?
All the flight attendants treat him really well.
Everybody.
Professionals.
100%.
And the social media department at Joe Gibbs Racing is second to none, and we would know. I'm still on MySpace.
Yes, sir.
Sir, we're gonna need to see your ID. I definitely want to see his ID. How are you? Good to see you.
They're running a mission right now.
Okay.
They may get the tail end of it, but
Yeah.
we'll brief them up
Yeah.
once we get back.
Just don't open the door, guys. Secret Service said don't open that door again. I did drop your name, and they put a lock. They put a lock on the outside of the door. As soon as I said Ed Heike said we are not flying in formation. That's a good thing.
You know, Chris had brought up something in the office a little bit ago about
5 seconds may be difficult to judge. So how about we use rotor diameter instead? So we use 10 rotor discs. It'll be a little bit more for us.
That's going to require math.
And it's easy. 450 feet, okay?
Okay.
Let's go with that.
And we're going which direction to which
we're
direction?
going, coming in from the north, edge of turn 4 grandstand, beeline to edge of turn 1 grandstand. And then we'll circle back in and repo back over here.
What am I following? Am I following the 429 or the? We're not racing in helicopters. So. And we're at 800 feet MSL?
12.
So if we have an emergency, we're just going to do whatever we got to do. Just gotcha. No turning left, right. Yep.
Go left or right, whatever.
My safety manager will appreciate that. Don't hit me. Yeah, you good. Easy. Clear.
Severe clear. That was the hardest thing any of us will do all day.
I know it. I'm out of breath. Here's what I'm going to give you a little advice. Be sure you stop and wait until the gate's fully closed. How many gallons you want? 40 gallons. I'll call them. Hope we didn't scare you too much.
No, it was great.
Y'all are a couple of famous Gibbs guys. You know that?
Yeah. You want my autograph?
Mike, how do you think it went?
I think it went good. It was a little delayed, but I think everything worked out okay.
You've done something like that before?
Nothing, never. Nope, never done that before. Quite an honor.
Thank you.
You bet, thank you.